Hi guys, welcome back for another video. It is once again, it is June, it is Curl Box, it is exciting. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Felicia, and on this channel is all about natural hair, product unboxings like the one you're about to see now, and also tutorials. Now, let's go ahead and get into the video. So, yeah, Curl Box. And this month we have the line from Maui Moisture. And this is the Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter for dry, damaged hair. It contains creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, and also pure macadamia oil. Now, the one thing that stands out from this line or this brand is that the first ingredient, unlike most, is not water. It is aloe juice. So that is the first ingredient in their products. Now let's go ahead and get started. The first product I have here is the shampoo, and it is sulfate-free surfactants, and you get 13 fluid ounces. It has a pleasant smell to it. Let's check out the consistency. Oh, okay. It looks like that. It is, I guess I would call stringy, like a little tackiness to it. It does feel creamy, and it has somewhat of a thickness to it. I have a feeling that this is going to probably lather up really well, if lather is what you like in your shampoo. Alright, so next up I have the conditioner, which is silicone free. It is also 13 fluid ounces. Yeah, same similar smell, even though I really can't describe it. It is a light scent. The conditioner is creamy. I feel like you might get some decent slip out of that, but we'll see. Alright, next I feel like no line is complete without a hair mask. So, Maui Moisture does have a hair mask. And it is also silicone free as well. It smells a little different to me, but it is thick, it is creamy, so that's good. Can I? Oh, yeah! Pretty thick, upside down. Alright. The mask is 12 ounces. Alright, so next I have is a Detangler leave-in, which is also silicone free. I don't really care for the smell. I don't know. It smells a little different than the other. And it could just be the aloe juice. But this is pretty lightweight. It feels like it will have some pretty decent slip. That's how it feels, but we won't know till we get it on the hair. And for the last product, I have the Maui Moisture Strength and Anti-Breakage Agave Raw Oil. And this is for chemically damaged hair, rich agave, velvety hibiscus oil, fresh pineapple extract, and this is also silicone free. And I just want to point out that Curl Box did put the oil in a Ziploc bag, which I can definitely appreciate, because sometimes things do get you know, broken and spilled throughout transport, so I'm glad that they thought enough to do that. Alright. This is just, the feel of it, just a typical feel like oil. And I can smell the pineapple extract, so it smells really good. It's not overpowering, it's kind of a light scent, but you can definitely smell it. And this oil is supposed to moisturize your strands, mend split ends, and also have a healthy glow. So that's all the products that we received from the Maui Moisture line. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have ever tried any of these products and your thoughts on it. I did notice. So if you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to join the family and also be part of the notification game by clicking that bell so you don't miss out on the upload. Subscribing is free, and I do not spam your email. So until next time guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.